Hi friends, today's math lesson has to do with money again, and we are going to be solving word problems. This lesson has to do with grocery shopping. Have you ever gone grocery shopping with a grown-up and helped them shop? What kinds of things have you paid attention to? I wonder if you're saying the price, and then have you ever paid at the end, help pay for the items? What happens once you pay? I wonder if you said you get change back sometimes, right? So this lesson has to do with just that. We're going to be looking at grocery items. We're going to be looking at how much they cost and then how much change one of our friends will get back when he decides to buy some items. So let's take a look at the anchor task. It says, please spend some time to read the prices of the items below and then answer the questions and then watch this video. So hopefully you've had some time to calculate and try the anchor task. So we have all these items, the grocery items, and then we have three items that don't really have a price: the trail mix, the roast beef, and the 1 quart milk. However, we have some clues down here to help us figure out what these items will cost. So it says the 1 gallon milk costs $1.80 more than the 1 quart milk. The trail mix costs $1 more than the roast beef. And together, the trail mix and the roast beef cost $10.98. So those are some clues to help us calculate what those items are. The question is asking us, which items can Minho buy? How many dollars does Minho have? I wonder if you said he has $3. If you did, you're right. So let's solve the anchor task now. Step 1 is to figure out the cost of those three items that don't have a price. So the cost of the 1 quart milk, what they've done is use a bar model. We know it's $2.99. We know it's $1.80 more. That's that $1.80 more. And so we need to figure out what the cost of that 1 quart milk is using this bar model. They've moved on and used the standard column method, but this time what they've done is broken the dollars and the cents. So here are the $2 for the $2.99, and this is the 99 cents. Same with $1.80. If you subtract using the dollars, $2 minus $1 is $1, and 99 cents minus 80 cents gives us 19 cents. Don't forget to line up the place value. So the cost of the 1 quart milk is $1.19. The cost of the trail mix is $10.98. They have that because if you remember, the cost of the roast beef and the trail mix is $10.98. And that $1, and that $1 represents the extra cost of the trail mix. It's $1 more than the roast beef. If we add this together, we get $11.98, but then we have to divide that by 2 because we have 2 items. And so that leaves us with the cost of $5.99 for the trail mix. Now we know the roast beef is less expensive. How much less expensive is it? It's $1 less, right? Because the trail mix is $1 more, so that means the roast beef would be $1 less. So we subtract that $1 to get $4.99 for the roast beef. Trail mix is $5.99. The roast beef is $4.99. Okay, now that we have the price of those 3 missing items, we can go ahead and figure out how many items Minho can buy. So he first goes in and he says, okay, I have $3 and I can buy a box of cereal. Well, the box of cereal costs $2.99. What do you know about 99 cents? It's really close to $1. How much closer? A penny more. So this number bond is showing you that $1 is really 99 cents plus 1 cent. We really need to hold that in our head, because when we go to subtract, because that's what happens when we pay, right? You can also use standard column method, which I'm about to do. So he pays $3 for that cereal box, but the cereal box only costs $2.99, which is really close to the $3. You subtract, and then you go ahead and work down the columns like we have been doing. Can't do 0 minus 9. You can see there's a 0 here. Go to the 3. That becomes a 2. This becomes a 10. And since we need to take from the tens column, we need to make that into a 9. And now we have 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring down the decimal point. Really important that you work down and make sure everything is lined up. And then we have 0 here. That means this is 1 penny. If you want to express a penny or 1 cent using a dollar sign, that's how you would do it. The dollar sign always goes first, okay? Don't forget. Some of you have forgotten to put your units, and that's really important. So don't forget to use your units. In this case, it's dollars. It comes first. Great. Okay, so he would get a penny in change or a cent. And down over here, if he went in again and he had the $3, and this time he said, I want to buy a box of granola, we see that the granola box costs $2.69. Again, over here is another strategy. Here we had number bonds. This is now using rounding, estimating, right? So, and then counting up. So Robert says here, $2.69. If I can make it a friendly number to $2.70, that's just 1 penny more. And then from $2.70 to $3, that's 30 cents more. So now all we have to do is add the 30 cents and the 1 cent to give us a change of 31 cents. So Minho receives 31 cents. Again, if you want to use standard column, you can do that and line it up. For these problems, it's always helpful to have scrap paper available. So you're doing the calculations. We don't want to forget how to do these calculations, right? So we always want to try on the side. And I know it's a little hard to do it on the computer. So doing it on the side is really important. Again, we can't subtract here. Go to the 3. This becomes a 10. This becomes a 9 again because we need to take into the ones column. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 90 minus 60 cents is 30 cents. And then we have 0 over here, and that is 31 cents, right? So that is the 31 cents that Minho receives. Finally, the last situation is that he goes in and he buys bananas. The bananas are 25 cents each. So we need to figure out how many bananas he can buy. Well, if they're 25 cents each, what do you know about quarters, which is 25 cents? And how many you need to make $1? You can see over here that 4 quarters make $1, right? Because 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 100 pennies or 100 cents, which is equal to $1. Okay, so our friend over here is asking, should he receive any change? Okay, but we need to figure out how many bananas he can buy first of all. Well, if he is using, I'm just going to use quick circles, and we know that these are quarters, right? And these are 25 cents. So we see that this is $1. How many bananas is that? Well, if they're 25 cents each, we know that this is 4, right? So over here, I'm just going to make a note. These are 4 bananas right here. Okay, I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to say, well, he can buy 4 more because I know that is going to cost another $1, right? 25, 25, 25, 25. That's another 4 right there. And then he can go in again. He can go and buy another 4, which is another $1. And now we have 4 bananas. So now we need to add these 4 plus 4 plus 4 bananas. What is 4 plus 4 plus 4? Repeated addition? Or you can say, what's 4 times 3? I wonder if you said 12. If you said 12, you're correct. So Minho can buy 12 bananas. I'm going to write that in. He can buy 12 bananas. So, and does he receive change? Well, it looks like over here, he's used $1, $2, $3, and he has $3. So he should not receive any change. So no, he does not receive any change. Okay, so what we'd like you to do now is to try on your own. We have some grocery items, and it's asking you, what items can each amount buy? I just want to clarify this for a moment. This is $1, and it's asking you how much can $1 buy? So it sounds kind of funny, but it's basically saying if you were to walk into the grocery store, you see all these items, which items can you buy? And then we want to know what change will be left. So over here, please write the equation. Write the equation that you have used, and I will just I'll make sure I put that in here. That you need to use an equation as you make your calculations. We want to see if you're adding, subtracting, what you're subtracting, And also if you're using the units. So don't forget to use cents if your remaining change is in cents, or if it's dollars, to use dollars also. Okay. Have fun grocery shopping, and we'll see you later. Bye.